Well, hello everyone. Hopefully you're doing pretty well today. My name is Deborah and welcome to my channel, Crafty Chalk Creations. I'm an independent designer of Chalk Couture, and today's video is going to be Club Couture's August 2022 transfer. I think this is just absolutely adorable. I love that house, home sweet home. Celebrate each other, forgive and hug often, laugh together, share our dreams, love unconditionally. Now, before I get started with this quick, easy project, I wanted to tell you a little bit about Chalk Couture. One thing, I'm going to be using one paste color. I'm also going to be using this 9x12 Aiden frame. It has a reusable surface that is also magnetic. Now, I will have a cart link to post down below if you'd like to purchase this frame separately. But I want to also let you know about the Club Couture. Okay, it is $21.99 within the US, $27.99 Canadian. You also receive 3 coordinating color paste packets. And along with those paste packets, you will get this shipped to your house for free. You have access to private sales, exclusive discounts, special offers that Chalk Couture offers. And if you are a new Chalk Couture subscriber, Chalk Couture or Chalk Couture Club subscriber, let me rephrase that, you will receive with your first monthly subscription a free mini squeegee that will come with it. Okay, so you'll get written instructions. You'll also have a video tutorial like the one that I'm making here of my own version. Chalk Couture also has a video tutorial to complete their project using the 3 coordinating paste colors. Now, the 3 paste colors you'll receive will be Shimmer, it is Shimmer Moonlight, Shimmer Rose Gold, and also Ocean Mist, which is the color I will be using today. I'm just going to use the one color. I'm not going to be doing any embellishments on the frame. It has some nice distressing. I do enjoy this frame, and I think it's perfect for this transfer. I will have a shopping cart link, so that way you would like to sign up, you like to read some more about Club Couture, you're welcome to do that. Now, if you sign up through me with Crafty Chalk Creations through that link, I have a special offer that I like to do as a way to say thank you for my Club Couture subscribers that are through with me. I will have links posted down below where you can get on my email list, so that way when I do have this, it's on the last Sunday of the month. You will be notified of it. And also you're welcome to join my VIP group that I have. As long as you're not a designer, you are welcome to join that group. And I will have links posted down below. All right, well, I'm going to go, I think I've pretty much covered everything that I need to tell you about the club, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. Oh, I forgot to tell you about the special offer for Club Couture subscribers that Chalk Couture is offering. Okay, it is this shimmer. It is exclusively during the month of August while supplies last. It is Shimmer Very Peri. It is a beautiful shade of purple. Okay, now, Club Couture subscribers can get this for free, as well as the detail tool for free with a $100 purchase before shipping and taxes. Okay, so if you want to get these, you are able to do that. If you didn't want to get the detail tool, you can just spend the $90 before shipping and tax, and you can get the Shimmer Very Peri jar of paste for free. This is only during the month of August while supplies last. Now, if you're not a club subscriber, you can still get a jar of this paste, if you would like to, for a $90 purchase. Okay, it is while supplies last, and that would be before shipping and taxes. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and get started with my project. Now, I'm not going to be using my mini squeegee. I'm going to be using the small squeegee because I'm using all one color, and I'll be able to apply it quicker. Now, first thing I need to do is fuzz my transfer. If you've not seen any of my previous videos. Now, why you need a fuzz is because they are sticky, which I will show you in a moment. First thing you need to do is pull it off your backer sheet. Okay. Well, actually, what you need to do is right on the back of it first. That's your matte side. Oh, I forgot to put my arrow because sometimes these aren't cut square. That way I know it will fit on my backer sheet pretty well. Now, as you can see, that has a shiny side. Okay, once you clean your transfer and it's dry, you attach it back to the shiny side. That's why you mark the back of it. And you can use it for storage, so set that aside. See, they're sticky. So what you need to do, you need to fuzz it. And sometimes you only need to fuzz it 2 or 3 times. Sometimes you need to fuzz it several times. Now, What I like about these transfers is you can use sections of it. If you just want the house, you wanted to use the little sayings at the bottom. If you wanted to just use home, the suite, you wanted to use the little heart, you can do that. You can, use sections of it and your own design ideas. Because these are reusable. Chalk Couture states are reusable. I believe it's 8 to 10 or 8 to 12 times. Now, if you're going to put this on glass, you need to fuzz the fiddle out of it. If you're putting it on fabric, you don't need to fuzz it. But I just go ahead and I fuzz this several times because I am putting this on the Aiden surface. It's a smooth surface, but it has a little bit of texture to it. So I'm going to test and see if I fuzzed enough to put it on here. Now, how you pretty much know is when you go to slide it on there, it has a little bit of play to it. It doesn't stick right away to your surface. See, like that? It's still a little sticky in a couple spots. So I'm going to fuzz this a couple of more times. Okay, now that I have fuzzed this a few more times, I am going to put this on my Aiden frame here. Okay. Now, like I said, I'm going to be using my small squeegee because I'm using the one color, and that way it will go quicker. All right, now I just eyeball it, try to center it. If you'd like to measure and be precise, you are more than welcome to do that. I just kind of, eyeball it on most of my projects. So once I get it placed where I think it might be centered, yeah, that looks pretty good. I put my finger in the middle, I go up and down, and then I go side to side. And then I start smoothing out with my hands. And why that is that way if there's any lumps, bumps, or little fuzzies back there preventing my transfer making good contact with my surface, any air bubbles, any wrinkles, I have that chance to smooth it out before I apply the paste to my surface. Now, if you want, you can take your squeegee and go over it just to make sure that it's good and smooth and get some air bubbles out. I have done it on occasion, but I don't think that's necessary today. Now, this is the Ocean Mist. This is in the jar, and I'm stirring it up with a stir stick just to make sure it's well mixed. Now, you receive your paste packet in this color. That is a beautiful shade of color. It's kind of like a gray-blue type look. It's really pretty. And I thought it would look really nice with this Aiden frame with the black surface. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my small squeegee with that bevel edge there. I'm going to dip it into my paste. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to generously apply it to my transfer. This is a quick and easy project. You can make it as complex or as easy. I think this is pretty much as easy as you can get is with the one color. And I'm just going to generously apply it on all the areas where the mesh silk screen is at. So that way I know I have a good amount of paste there because I can always take it off the extra. Make sure to get those words. Now, if you only, like I said, if you only want to use portions of this transfer, you can do that. You are in control of how your home decor looks. It's one of the things I like about Chalk Couture. Now I'm going to take my squeegee there. Oops, I got a little bit of paste. Now this paste is water soluble, meaning you can go ahead and clean it with just some water. So I'm going to grab a piece of paper towel here, and I'm going to spritz it with a little bit of water and just wipe off that paste that I got on my frame. That quick, that easy, boom, it's done. So I'm going to take my squeegee and I'm going to start scraping off the excess. And why you do that is because you want to make sure you have good, even coverage. And I'm just going up and down. You can go side by side if you want. Totally up to you. Oops, I missed a little part of my E there. I'll get that. Yeah, it is that fast. I think it takes it longer for me to, explain and demonstrate than it does to actually do the project. All right, I'm going to put my cap back on, and now it's time for the peel and reveal. I start at my corners, okay, and I start working my way towards the middle, and then you want to slowly peel back. Now, why you want to do it slowly is, for one, you don't want to stretch your transfer, and two, that way if you might have missed a spot, you can just lay it down really quick and touch up that one little area. Oh, I just absolutely adore that little cottage house. I think it's just so sweet. Home sweet home. And there we go. Almost. Now I have a towel here that I'm laying this down and I'm going to spritz it with some water. But when you're done with your transfer, you should take it to the sink and clean it with some water and you can use the board erasers or magic eraser on the surface that you apply the paste, and then on the back of it, you just go give a good rinsing. And it is that quick and that easy. And there you go. You have got a little piece of art. Now, this Aiden frame does not have picture framing hardware, so you can add your own hardware that you would like to if you want to hang it on a wall or just put it on an easel. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it gives you some information about Club Couture, and I will have all the links posted down below in the description box. And you have a beautiful day, and thank you so much for watching.